Back again, viewers, back again. It's not your boy Leroy, it's me. Only where am I today? Flip it. There's the tower. There's the old police station. Ooh. The pile driver on the car park, the new car park that's being built there. The pile driver. And spin around. There's a football ground in the distance. There's your Blackpool skyline and a big one roller coaster standing up high above everything. So it's the night of the switch on, the quiet before the storm. Not a lot of people about. Pretty quiet. All these pigeons up here sat with me having a look around, wondering how come that geezer's above them. Few milling about on the promenade. The tide's closing in as well by the looks of it. Not a lot of wind up here, but a great view of Central Pier. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. All the tables at Chico's are all sat empty. Not too many on the Bouncy Castle at the side of the pier. The trampolines are empty. Got the lifeboat there on the beach, looks like it's going to go out for training or just come in from training, one or the other. It's not looking too clever for the illumination switch on, I have to admit. There's very, very few people about. But then again, we're not exactly encouraging big stars here, are we, at the minute? I mean, come on, Lawrence Llewellyn Bowen. Surely a place like Blackpool can do a lot better than that. When you put it into perspective, only a few years ago we had Robbie Williams. Now we've got bloody Lawrence Llewellyn, whatever you call him. You know, the fancy dude from Changing Rooms or whatever it's called. That's the best we can do with Blackpool this year. Hey, I don't know. Let's scan over here, see what's going on down Chapel Street. Oh, you can see Chippy there, they're doing quite well. Got the outside tables, everyone's scranning. Stanley Arms Show Bar, or karaoke bar, or whatever you want to call it. That looks quite good now, actually, you've got to admit. The football ground up there in the distance. It's quite impressive, the football ground from up here. And yeah, Pleasure Beach over there. Looks a lot closer than what it actually is. Yes. And South Pier in the distance as well. Just flip round here. Scan over to the top of the law courts there. And law courts, police station, the old Castle pub in the background there. Subway, Parma Cafe, Mickey Finn's, Hounds Hill Centre in the background. The tower buildings there, and the old Woolworths clock there, standing proud as ever. Back over this way, St John's Church spire over there in the distance. Yes. Chapel Street looking very, very bleak at the minute. Very, very quiet. I don't get it. Really don't get it. Switch on night. Never seen it this quiet. Never seen it this quiet for switch on night. Even Iggy's quiet. Shut down Bale Street there. And yeah, it's quite all round, viewers, quite all round. All we can do is hope it's going to get a bit busier later on. It's 25 to 6, so the night is drawing in. We really should be getting more people milling around by now. But it's not. It looks like it's not happening. Looks like it's not happening tonight. Maybe people haven't got the enthusiasm to be watching Lawrence Llewellyn. I can't even say his name. Lawrence Bowen. We'll leave that middle bit out because I can't pronounce it. Maybe nobody wants to see him anyway. I mean, changing rooms. Maybe he needs to change a few things here. If he wants to change a few things here, maybe the best thing he could change is the bloody council. To be honest with you, but that ain't going to happen. Not yet. Hopefully that shower will be getting voted out on the next election. Yeah, very, very quiet on the all around. Move over here. What we got here? We've got side banner there of the waxworks. Wow. What's the WOW stand for? Is it World of Wax? I don't know. Your lights up trolley setting up for the evening. Sorry for if there's a bit of a breeze up here. I have got myself one of these mics with a microphone cover. I just haven't brought it up with me. But when I go back to check this video out, if the noise is too much, next time I'll make sure I do bring it up with me. To be honest with you, I didn't think there was much of a breeze, but there you go. Yeah, Central Pier in all its glory. Got the balloon ride at the side there, on one side, and on the other side, of course, you've got the Bouncy Castle. But really, there's not a lot of people milling around. I'm quite shocked. I am quite shocked. I thought it would be a lot more busier than this. But if this is the best we've got to come, I think we've hit a bit of a boo-boo on this one. But this, I don't know, like I say, this council's got a lot to answer for. Even when it comes to later on, we've got the fireworks. They put the fireworks on a Saturday night. Well, why the hell would you put the fireworks on a Saturday night? Saturday nights look after themselves. Saturday nights are always busy. Put them on a Friday night, you idiots. I tell you, what a clownsel. What a clownsel. Unbelievable. Anyway, I think I'm going to nip that down there and get stuck into whatever I've got to get stuck into, get myself ready for the switch on, and just thought I'd give you a view from up here before I do the access all areas of this building and show you a proper walk around. Yep. So that's it. It's not your boy Leroy. I'm signing off. I'm getting out of here. I'm going back down. See you later. Sayonara.